Welcome to V.S.L Concept ICT Academy's YouTube channel. Yes, in this video, I'll be showing you exactly what a landing page is and also explaining the difference between a landing page and a website. But before we continue, it will be very important that if you are new to this channel, you hit the subscribe button and ensure you subscribe to this channel, because on this channel we have so many wonderful tips and tricks on how you can grow your business and also how you can grow your personal life, ensuring you make money online, as it were. At the end of this video, we'll not just be showing you what a landing page is, but you have a mind-blowing opportunity of winning a special gift where we'll be giving you access to our course that shows you how to design a landing page step by step. Now, what would you do for you to actually qualify for this mind-blowing gift that will be given to you? We'll be dropping emojis on the screen. Just tell us when we drop those emojis on the screen in the comment section below at the end of the video, and also tell us the exact type of emoji that we dropped, and you stand a chance of winning that mind-blowing course where we'll be showing you exactly how to design a landing page step by step. Now, let's get right on into it. What is a landing page and what is a website? Now, for us to actually understand the difference between a landing page and a website, it will be very good that we understand what a website is and we also understand what a landing page is. So, what is a website? Simply put, a website is a collection of related pages that are hosted under a particular domain name. For example, as you see our official website vslconcept.com, this is our domain name, vslconcept.com. Now, under this domain name, we have so many pages that are connected to this domain name. For example, over here you see our homepage. Over here you see all the courses that we offer, as it were. We offer physical trainings, online courses, corporate trainings, and the rest of them. We see reviews, blogs, about us, contact us, and the rest. So all these pages put together is what makes up a website. And as you see over here, the website actually talks about all the services that we offer as a brand. So when you see a page that actually talks about all the services that a business offers, you know that that is a website. So a typical example is what you can see on your screen. Over here we offer what? Basic computer training, graphic design training, website design training, digital marketing training, corporate training, programming training. So this website talks about all of these services together, as it were. Now, what is a landing page? A landing page basically is that page on a website that gives more insight about a particular product or service. I hope you understood what I just said. A landing page is that particular page that actually gives more insight about a particular product or service. Take, for example, over here on our website, we offer digital marketing training services. Now, once you click on the Learn More button about this digital marketing service, it takes you straight up to the landing page of that digital marketing service, as it were. So over here, the user is going to see things that would actually push him to patronize this business from this service. So do we now get the difference between a landing page and a website? So on a landing page, you get to see. So a landing page is focused on one particular product or service, while a website talks about so many products or service, as it were. So for you to say that you have actually designed a landing page, you are saying that you have promoted or designed a page that talks about a particular service that you offer. At this point, I will now want to give you some tips on things that you should do for your landing page and things that you should not do for your landing page. First thing first, it will be important to know that while you are designing a landing page, it is possible that you design a landing page for a service that you offer, or it's possible that you design a landing page for a product that you sell. Whichever it is, all the principles are the same while you are actually designing a landing page. The very first point or first thing I want you to take note of while designing your landing page is that your landing page should have just one call to action. Yes. What is the call to action? The call to action basically is the button that people are supposed to click, an action that they are supposed to take while on your landing page. We have so many persons who make the mistake of designing a landing page and then having menus. What do I mean by menu? Now, if you go over to our website, we are going to find this header section that carries the home, our courses, reviews, blogs, about us, and the rest of them. It is not recommended that you put that on your landing page. Remember, the focus of the landing page is to prompt people to take a particular action. And in this context, the concept or the idea of this landing page is to ensure that they get the special offer that we're talking about. So one thing that you must do for your landing page to stand out correctly is to ensure that you have one call to action on your landing page. Now, we have persons who also make the mistakes of designing a landing page. After putting in the call to action, they also go down to put in a form that people will fill somewhere on the page. That is not recommended, because you are now splitting the focus of these persons who are visiting this page. For it to be a professional landing page, the major goal of what they are doing is to do what? Take one particular action. So it is not ideal that you have your call to action, you also have a button that takes them out of the page for them to do something else on the page. Please, I hope you have taken note of that point. Now, the very next thing that you definitely have to take note of is to ensure that you have all the elements of the landing page complete. Remember, the landing page is that page that pushes them to take the action that you want them to take. Yes, there are some things that you need to have on this landing page that will actually push the person who is actually seeing it to actually take the action you want him to take. I have a video that I have made that is titled Elements of a Landing Page. Now, this element basically would persuade these persons to take the action that you want them to take, whether they like it or they do not like it. Would you want me to drop that video that talks about the elements of a landing page? Come on, head down to the comment section below and tell me, please drop the video that talks about elements of a landing page. There I would give you all the secret elements as to what you need to have on your landing page for it to be a professional landing page. Come on, go to the comment section below and tell me, please, I need the information on the elements of a landing page. And if you have not already done so, come on, hit the like button. Hit the like button on this video now, and also make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Turn on post notification so you can always get information about that video that I'll be dropping soon. So what have we been able to establish in this short video? We now know what a landing page is. We now know what a website is. The big question is, who are those persons that actually needs a landing page? Yes, every business person who wants to promote a product, whether via Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and the rest of them, needs a landing page. So if you know that you have a service and you know that you have a product that you want to run adverts for, I tell you, you need a landing page for you to actually run that advert. So think about it. Whether you are actually a doctor, whether you are a plumber, whether you are someone who does affiliate marketing, yes, you need a professional landing page for that product or service that you are offering right now. So this now goes over to the question we now asking, how can we design a landing page? Yes, we have so many videos on this channel that shows you how to design a landing page. But as mentioned earlier, we have a special course that teaches you how to professionally design a landing page. Yes, if you know that you actually want access to that course showing you a step-by-step guide how you can design a landing page, and not just how to design a landing page, we giving you access to premium templates, premium documents that would help you achieving that landing page. Please do well to click on the link in the description below so that you can get access to this mind-blowing course, as it were. Remember, I mentioned that you stand the chance to win that mind-blowing course for free if and only if you drop in the comment section below what time we dropped those emojis that you saw on the screen and the exact emoji that we dropped. Come on, head on to the comment section below and we will let you know if you are the winner of that, so you can get a free course on how to design a landing page professionally. Please note that this landing page design works for any product or service, whether you are actually promoting cakes, whether you're promoting plumbing services, whether you're promoting affiliate products. This course would actually be the deal breaker for you. So what are you waiting for? Be the one that will win this mind-blowing course. Head straight onto the comment section below and let me know what time we drop those emojis and you stand a chance to win that mind-blowing course. Do you now understand from this video what a landing page is? Yes, a landing page is basically that page that focuses attention on a particular product or service. The landing page is actually designed to manipulate the person who is watching or who is reading through to take the action that we want him to take. That is what the landing page is. If you're a business owner, it is a must-have for you. Come on, what are you waiting for? Go to the comment section below and let me know if you actually want that course on how to design the landing page. So many other wonderful videos that would aid your business growth would actually pop up on your screen right now. Do well to click on those videos and watch them. I can't wait but to see you in those videos where I will talk about more things that would help you actually attain results while you are promoting your products or services. See you in that video.